So designing a website on wordpress.com is pretty simple and straightforward, but the issue is it doesn't offer you much varieties to work with. But if you're starting out as a web designer, you can start with this for now, and just do it the way I did it. And we can let me go back to customize. There's something I want to check. We can go to the home page settings because this is necessary, and you put it as static page. Home page, it has already been set up. Home page will have to be at home. Good. Let's look at the widget. For the footer, let's add a widget. Let's add a menu widget. So if you're adding this footer menu, is going to appear at the bottom. This is also pretty much important. So we can just call it main menu, and then we'll select the primary menu here. And then if you go down, you will see it down here. Pretty much important. And you can add as much widget as you can, because there's still other space. So that's that. And then you can change the color background if you want. You know, if you want to change the color background, if you click this is a color that work well with other color back shows a palette. Okay, let's try this. This is how it looks with that. This is how it looks with this, and this is how it looks with that. So basically, you can just choose colors. You know, whichever color that you want. You can keep changing everything to suit your taste. And then the content options show the featured image on pages that but I don't want that. And then additional css, you cannot use additional css unless you buy a premium plan. But what additional css means, you don't really need it because you're a beginner, you do not know any coding language, you don't know a css language. But if you are, for those that knows css language and then they want to change some things here, the coding language, and they can just add their own coding language. They can just add some code here, and then they change the layout and styles of the website. But you don't need that since you guys are beginners. This course is for beginners, and basically this is all you need to know for now. And let's create another page, the contact page. Let's go to page, add new. Let's add new page, and let's call it the contact page. So this is the contact page, so we'll pick this, and let's look for a good one. Let's go with this. So this is our contact page. So this is how the contact page will look like. So we're going to publish this. Publish. Cool. And then we have to go back to customization because it's not, you can't see contact page here. Remember, we have to go to customization to bring in the menu up here. So let's go back. And then let's go to appearance and customization. Appearance, customize. What we are trying to do is we have the home button, we have the about button, we need the contact button. I mean contact menu, sorry. Home menu, about menu, and the contact menu. Anyway, so basically now we go to the menu and we go to primary menu, and now we add items same way we did the other one. Then click on contact and save changes. So now we have the contact. So if I let me refresh, if I click here, then we can see the contact section. If I click here, it will take us to the about section, and if I click here, it will take us to the home section. So this is basically if you are trying to design a website for yourself, probably to for your own business or whatever, you can just use this. Right now this website is not live. If anyone search for tutorial for now blah blah blah, will not be able to see it. But if you want someone to see it, then we have to click on launch site. So if I launch this site, then the website will be live. If I want to remove the .wordpress.com, then I need to buy a plan. But right now I'm using the free plan, so I can't buy a plan. So therefore this wordpress.com will come with it. And then if you go down, you will see it's branded blog at wordpress.com. So that's how you design a website using the wordpress.com.